Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to create an account right here on Admirals. And in this video I will give you the option to choose between a live trading account or a demo account. And in this video I will open a demo account right here, but it works exactly the same for a live account. So decide for yourself which one you want to open. So let's say I want to open a demo account, then I click right here on try demo account. There we go. And then from here, we need to fill in some information. So what we're going to do is sign up with email, fill in right here or email address. There we go. Then we do next. Then right here, they send a 6-digit code to our email address. So we go to our email address and we'll search for that 6-digit code. There we go. And then we do a quick copy paste in it. There we go. And then we need to give them my name. Now, my name is Tommy. There we go. I'm from the Netherlands. Then fill in your phone number right here. And then they send also a verification to your phone. So I will do this real quick. There we go. 505 758. And then right now we need to create a password. So I will do this real quick. There we go. And then we do get started. So then we do save right here. And then we do go to dashboard. And there we are, guys. Now we are having an account. And you can do this with a demo account. You can do this with a real live trading account. And it works exactly the same. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.